What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another customization video. This time it's the KTM 390 Adventure. Previously I had done customization videos of the Ford EcoSport and also the BMW 310 GS. I'll put the link to those in the description below, or you can also hit the I button, which I believe is on the side. Having said that, let's get started. Let's start off from the front. Here we have the glass headlight protector from Bandito's Pit Stop. This would cost you somewhere around 1500 rupees. And also, as you can see, it does give a cool look to the bike. The only downside to this is that it gets dirty really easy and it's very difficult to clean the inside unless you remove the screw using the Allen key. Other than that, I think it's a very useful product. So I'll put the link to it in the description below. Up next we have the DB windscreen, which is from Bike and Biker. Just this screen would cost you somewhere around 9600, and the mount is separate. That is also provided from Bike and Biker. It would cost you somewhere around 6099. So the total I paid for this was around 15500 for the windscreen. And this is how it looks. It's supposed to be a transparent one, but I have installed tint just to match it with the rest of the bike. This hands down is one of the best accessories that I've installed, especially on highway touring. It ensures that the wind deflects away from you and you don't get tired quickly. Next we have the upper and lower engine protectors. This I bought from Motocare and it costed me somewhere around 10,000 rupees. And this is how it looks. It's of a really good quality. The only downside to this is that if you're a tall rider, your knee would end up hitting the engine guard, especially if you have a pillion. It also comes pre-installed with sliders, and that'll be the first contact of impact during a crash. Especially if you're going on off-roads, engine guard is a must. So if you want to check it out, I'll put their contact number in the description below. You can check out the prices and also designs they have for the KTM 390 Adventure. Next we have the GPS mount. This will cost you somewhere around 1100, and this is pretty standard price across anywhere you go. I think the GPS mount for KTM 390 Adventure will cost you somewhere around 1100, and the Bobo phone mount also costs you somewhere around 1100. This doesn't come with a charger because the KTM 390 Adventure comes pre-installed with charging slot. And we are Terraconda 2 Up saddlebags. It's a 64-liter saddlebag and it will cost you 4500 rupees. It's really good for long rides, especially if you're going on a trip which is more than a week. These are the bags to go for. They also have the lay version of this. If you're going on a month trip, I think you can buy that saddlebag. I'll put the link to it in the description below. And yes, the saddles stay here. This has jerrycan option. This is also from Motocare. This costed me somewhere around 2500 or 3000 rupees. This is how it looks. I haven't tied the saddlebag, reason why it looks like that. Next we have a 65-liter Shanglin top box, which is a must-have in my opinion. This I bought from Bandito's Pit Stop for 20,000 rupees. Yeah, for a top box it's pretty good price. The only downside is that it's got plastic hinges. Other than that, everything is aluminum. We got few pouches here. I had made a separate dedicated video for this top box. I'll put the link to it in the description below if you want to check it out. You can easily fit into full-face helmets, and yeah, if you are someone who uses your bike regularly to travel to office, malls, or for that matter any daily purpose, keep your helmet without worrying about it. And during long rides you can keep up your electronics inside, like laptops, GoPros, drones and whatnot. So yeah, this is a must have in my opinion. I'll put the link to it in the description below. In order to install the top box, top rack is required. So that was also bought from Motocare for somewhere around 2,500 rupees. You will have to reinforce it with more metal in order to hold this 65 liter box. So I have done that as well. So that's something to keep in mind. Make sure to buy some really good top rack. Completely forgot is that I've installed silicone gel in front and rear seat. It'll cost you somewhere around 4,000 and it was done above the stock seats. So it does increase the height a little, but then it is a must have. So that is it. I have covered almost everything. I don't think I have left out anything. If you did like the modification, hit that like button, do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more such amazing videos. Until next time.